Hey guys, Martin Barkey here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got the Pro XP Turbo 1000 sitting here in the shop ready to go. I've got a great product offering from MBRP that I want to show you. But before we check that out, let's look at the stock setup. It's a little on the large side. It's a little on the heavy side. It's got heat shields everywhere. And I know for most of you Polaris riders, this is just a little too quiet. Let's get underneath here, check out the offering from MBRP. So quickly, this is our top of the line dual stack setup. Comes high flow wide pipe, laser cut flanges, MIG welds, ball socket band clamps. I mean, when you bolt this baby on, it's not going anywhere. We've utilized the factory OE rubber mounting locations. We've utilized the factory spring locations. And then you get into the muffler, T304 stainless steel, TIG welds over here, and then we cap it off with our billet end caps. Inside these billet end caps, we also have forestry approved spark arresters. This unit will run with or without the spark arresters. So you're gonna notice we've got it tucked way in forward. We've got it tucked up nice and high. You can bolt on rear mount accessories back here with no issues of interruptions from the exhaust. To cap it all off, we also include this faceplate, little MBRP logo, just cleans up the back of the unit. That said, this one's all done. Let's get it outside, give it a listen. So when I first started up, I would say generally at an idle, you can't tell the difference between the two. There's a deep low note, definitely more than stock of course, but you wouldn't notice any difference. As we start going, here we are, we're 30 miles an hour. Yeah, I would sort of say just overall still has that nice deep low note, but definitely a little more exhaust note, say to the ear, over the SP version. You know, with any good, well-manufactured, well-designed exhaust system for a side-by-sides today, you're gonna get that great throttle response, you're gonna get that ease of installation, you're gonna get, you know, just a cool look and all. But the one thing you don't wanna get is just that exhaust note that is too much and over the top. And at MBRP, we spent a lot of time designing an exhaust note that basically fits well with everyone's riding style. But we do offer the two systems, the SP and the PT. And I would say, I'm gonna get on it here, but I'm gonna say this is more aggressive for sure. As you decide to dial it up a little bit in your more aggressive riding, the PT version or dual stack version is definitely going to give you more of a pronounced exhaust note. For the aggressive-minded rider, definitely this is the way to go. For anyone that's concerned about overall exhaust note, I would say maybe the 9524 ST is the way to go, or SP is the way to go, sorry. Whereas the PT is definitely just that notch above, and definitely for the more aggressive rider, the guy that wants to hear that all day long, bang, 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 and just be a little aggressive. Now, quickly, it's not obnoxious, it's just more aggressive than the SP version. So either way, we've got two offerings, two different looks, two different sounds, ease of installation, great performance gains. Make sure you check them out at MBRP.com.